Yo! Rah, bah, 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 bah. What is bah, bah. Yo guys, it's been a while. So 2 days ago, Stanin gave us a track. And the most bizarre thing about this song, go fuck yourself. Go and fuck yourself. That's the title, bro. I mean, like, dog. That's crazy. Yo, he's a goat, bro. This man is the actual goat. It is unbelievable to see that title. Trust me. But guys, we're going to react to Stanin. Go fuck yourself. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So without further ado, let's have an experience of Go Fuck Yourself song. Or instrumental. Peace.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright.
Yo! What the fuck? Bro! Where were you, bro? Where were you? Bro, you've taken too long to release music. You've taken too long to give us these exponential beats. Yo, this man is a supernatural being. I gotta say, this is way too awesome for an average man to do, bro. This is way too awesome. What the fuck?
Had no need to fight tonight.
What the fuck, bro? Yo, incredible, absolutely incredible. There's no way, there's no freaking way. Yo, the man is on beat. Yo, this is mind blowing. Ain't no way he's an actual human. I always say this, and I will always say this. He's not from this earth. He's a supernatural being who comes from a different planet with a different mindset, with a different, oh my god, he's different from the human being, the average human being. Because ain't no freaking way he's a human. Bro, if you are a human, you are not from this freaking earth. You are from a distant planet, bro. No way, man. No way.
Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay today. Cast me far away, play these little games, acting all okay today.
Yo! Yo! Yo, 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 listen to me, guys. Listen to me. Taras, you better listen to me. Don't fuck yourself, bro. Do not fuck yourself. Don't you dare let a month pass and you haven't give us a song, bro. And you haven't give us our instrumental beat, bro. Bro, we were starving. But when we heard your voice, bro, our soul is fed with awesomeness. Bro, your music is so good, bro. You won't even understand. I'm in Jamaica and trust me, it is the best. It is the absolute best. No way. No way. Yo, bro voice is like, bro birth control is like an airplane taking off, bro. It's like this man is on an actual runway. Yo, this is amazing. You are unstoppable, bro. Keep up the good work. I'm astonished by your work ethic, by your timing. Your time is a little bit off because I was expecting you to give us something a little bit more sooner, but I can't complain. You know why? Because everything happens for a reason, and it is a perfect timing, bro. Bro, look, Taras, thank you so much for this. I appreciate you. I appreciate this track, and I'm looking forward for our next track of you next month. I'll see you guys there. Respect, leave a like, subscribe, and be mindful. Walk safe, thank God for life, and always be grateful. With all you have, with everything that you have and will be having, be grateful. Because you have to remember there's a lot of people out there who have nothing to eat, but you do. So be grateful for all the small things. The smallest things matters. They are a blessing. So guys, be blessed, stay safe. Next time around.